In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Word document to WhatsApp. First, let's talk about what we're actually doing here. A Word document is usually a .doc or .docx file that you've created in Microsoft Word or another word processor. WhatsApp is mainly used for messages, photos, and short videos, but it also supports sending files, including documents. Our goal is simply to take that Word file from your computer or phone and share it through a WhatsApp chat, either to a person or a group. If your Word document is saved on your computer, start by making sure it's stored in a place you can easily find, like your desktop or Documents folder. Then, open WhatsApp. If you're on a computer, this might be WhatsApp Web in your browser, or the desktop app. Log in if you need to, and then open the chat where you want to send the document. Inside the chat window, look for the attachment icon. On most versions of WhatsApp, this looks like a little paperclip. Click that, and you'll see options for different types of attachments. Choose the option for document, rather than photo or camera. This is important, because if you pick photo, WhatsApp might try to convert or compress the file, and that won't work for a Word document. After you click Document, a File Explorer window will open on your computer. Navigate to the folder where you saved your Word document. Click on the file to select it, and then confirm by clicking Open or Choose, depending on your system. WhatsApp will show you a preview with the file name and size. At this point, you can type an optional message explaining what the document is about, which is helpful for the person receiving it. Finally, hit the Send button, and WhatsApp will upload and deliver the file. If your Word document is on your phone instead, the process is very similar. Open the WhatsApp app, go to the chat you want, and tap the attachment icon in the message bar. On mobile, this might appear as a paperclip or a plus sign. Choose Document, then browse your files until you find the Word document. Tap it, confirm, add a brief note if you like, and then send. Once it's sent, the recipient can tap the file in the chat to open or download it, depending on their device. And that's all there is to sending a Word document through WhatsApp.